Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Today I'm making a ricotta and pork sausage lasagna. To make lasagna, just prepare ahead all of the ingredients by following my 5 steps in this recipe. Then we assemble the dish. So let's start with step number 1, which is browning the meat. On high temperature on the stove, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, I'm going to brown 2 pounds of pork sausage and then put it to the side. In step number 2, we make a bechamel sauce by melting 5 tablespoons of butter and then adding 1/2 of a cup of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly and cook until the flour turns a creamy yellow. Then add 4 cups of whole milk. Add 1/2 of a teaspoon of white or black pepper, whichever you have on hand, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. The nutmeg is optional. Keep whisking the sauce until it becomes a thick gravy. It should stick to the spoon when it is done. Then to the bechamel sauce, I'm going to add 2 cups of tomato spaghetti sauce. And I'm using the one that comes in the jar. I'm using my favorite brand with my favorite ingredients. Mix well until it turns a pink, nice, heavy sauce. Then turn off the stove and put it to the side until we assemble the lasagna. In my third step, I'm going to be preparing the ricotta cheese by mixing 3 eggs with 2 cups of ricotta cheese. Beat the eggs and then add the cheese and mix well. Again, once you mix these 2 ingredients, put them to the side until we have to assemble the lasagna. And we're continuing on with step number 4, which is assembling the lasagna. Using a 12-inch glass baking dish, I'm using the oven-ready pasta, which does not require prior cooking. Make layers beginning with the sauce and then placing the pasta over the sauce. Over the first layer of pasta, I'm spreading some of the ricotta cheese. And over the ricotta cheese goes the ground pork sausage. Over the sausage, another layer of sauce and another layer of ricotta cheese. Then the last layer of pasta. Over this last layer of pasta, some more sauce, more ricotta cheese, and I try not to mix both sauces together, so I do it very gently. And then I cover everything with 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and sprinkle butter over the Parmesan cheese. And this dish is going to go uncovered into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit from 45 to 60 minutes. And here is the delicious and beautiful lasagna. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes before you serve. I hope you like this video and that you come back to see me again. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I see you soon. Bye bye.